Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a camera test of the Samsung Galaxy A51, and this phone comes with a quad cameras on the back, and the main sensor on the back is a 48 megapixel with f1.8 aperture, and we have a 12 megapixel ultra wide, 5 megapixel depth sensor, and also we have a new 5 megapixel macro lens, and the front camera is a 32 megapixel with f2.0 aperture. And guys, let's show you the camera UI of the Samsung Galaxy A51, and you can see here is the camera UI it is same that we see on the Android 10. We have a one UI 2.0 on this phone because this phone is running on Android 10 right out the box. By default it do not take 48 megapixel shot. If you want to enable the 48 megapixel, then you go like this, and now this phone give you a 48 megapixel shot. But I have to say we have a limitation on this 48 megapixel mode. You cannot use the flash, and also we don't have HDR feature on 48 megapixel mode, which is a really bad feature on the Samsung Galaxy A51. And guys, also you cannot switch between normal and ultra wide and the back camera. And guys, now let's see the front camera, and the front camera is a 32 megapixel with f2.0 aperture, and the front cameras also give you a little bit wide option, and you can see, and also we have a live focus feature which is also give you a little bit wide option as well, and the portrait mode is work very well. And also we have a 4K video recording option on the front camera, and also we have a night mode with the back camera as well as front camera as well. And guys, now let's show you the camera samples as well as a video recording. You get a better idea regarding the camera performance of the Samsung Galaxy A51. Guys, this is a 4K with a 30 frames per second video recording of the Samsung Galaxy A51, and let's little bit walking around and let's see how the video recording is looks like. Let's running. And guys, you are the judge of the video quality as well as the microphone quality. You can see. And let's see the autofocus speed. And you can see autofocus speed is also fast on this one. And guys, right now I do not enable the super steady mode. And guys, this is a ultra wide video recording of the Samsung Galaxy A51. You know that the A51 comes with a 12 megapixel ultra wide. So now let's little bit walking, I mean running, and I am holding phone with my hand. And you can see an ultra wide give you a very immersive experience when you recording video. And you can see we have so much space for video recording. And you can see, and guys, you can't switch between normal and ultra wide while you are recording video, but overall the ultra wide quality is also looks like very good on the Samsung Galaxy A51. And guys, now I enable the super steady mode, and now let's running, and you guys are the judge of the video quality. And when you enable this super steady mode, you only record full HD with a 30 frames per second video recording. We don't have a 4K option in the super steady mode. Overall the video quality, and you can see, looks very good and very stable, I have to say. And guys, and this is a 4K video recording of the Samsung Galaxy A51 from the front camera of the Samsung Galaxy A51. So now let's little bit running, and you can see, and this is a really good feature that you can record 4K video as well. The front camera is a 32 megapixel again, and the colors looks very good. You can see. Guys, let me know that the video quality, it is good or very shaky in 4K mode. And guys, and this is a full HD video recording of the Samsung Galaxy A51, not 4K. And now let's see how the video looks in full HD. And now I am running again, and let's see how the video looks. You guys are the judge of the video quality, and let me know how the video quality is looks. And I really like the colors on the Samsung Galaxy A51, especially with the pictures, and also really like the video quality in daylight. And guys, this is a full HD video recording of the Samsung Galaxy A51 in night, and you can see. So now let's running, and the back camera also shoot 4K with a 30 frames per second, but we don't have a 60 frames per second option in full HD mode. And guys, overall, you guys are the judge of the video quality, it is good or not. And also we have so much noise in the video. And guys, this is a full HD video recording with the ultra wide of the Samsung Galaxy A51, which is having a 12 megapixel ultra wide. And you can see in ultra wide you don't get very good video quality, and you can see we have so much dark environment compared to the normal lens that is a 48 megapixel. And guys, this is a full HD video recording of the Samsung Galaxy A51 from the front camera of the A51 in night, and by default it is on full HD. The front camera also shoots 4K video. So now let's running, and you guys are the judge of the video quality. It is fine or very shaky or not. And guys, I have to say that I really impressed by the video quality of the Samsung Galaxy A51 with the back camera as well as with the front camera as well. So yeah, peace. And thank you so much for watching this camera test of the Samsung Galaxy A51. Let me know what you guys think about this Samsung Galaxy A51. The camera performance is good for you. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. Overall, I have to say that the camera performance is really good on the Samsung Galaxy A51. If you are looking a good camera phone in Samsung phone, subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.